So this is how my headlights look. They're very scratched and matte, and I bought this thing from Temu, about $5, and I'm curious if I can polish my headlights. I've never done this before, and we'll see if it's worth it. So let's do some unboxing. We have this polish paste. We have a bunch of sandpaper, gloves, and some tape, I'm guessing to mask the headlights. And this thing, I'm not sure how to use it. And we have some instructions also. So yeah, I'm gonna read the instruction real quick and see what I can do. Yes, here we have everything. Headlight restoration kit. So polish paste, protection liquid, I'm not sure what that is, but I will read it. Masking tape, and whatever, P800, P1200, 2300 sanding disc, orange sponge, cotton pad, and gloves. So this is all the instructions. Sanding. We have to sand it starting for P800 to P3000. After that we will polish, and after that we will clean them. Do not wash the car. So yeah, these are the instructions. Pause the video. Okay, I will start. Yeah, so we also have this with a hexagonal end in order to fit it on the electric screwdriver. Yeah, that's nice. And yeah, so I put in the P800 first and make sure I put it correctly. Yeah, that will do. Mounted on the electric screwdriver. So yeah, let's see. It says to moisture the headlight. Moisture the headlight and moisture the sanding paper. And let's see. Okay, I'm gonna need both hands for this. I'm not sure if this is working, but we'll see in the end. So yeah, this is what it looks like after I finish with the P800 one. I didn't search online how much I have to do this, but yeah, I did it for 2 minutes. We'll wipe it and move on. So yeah, now putting the P1200 and starting to polish with it. Honestly, it's sticking really nice. Spraying some water. And polishing. I forgot to put the masking tape, so I recommend you put masking tape, but now I'm too lazy and I'm very curious to see the end result. I already start to see a difference, trust me. So yeah, we'll finish with P1000 and I'm gonna pause the video here. I did it around 2 minutes, that's what he said with the P1200. Moving on to the P2000, and we'll do the same thing. Probably would be a good idea to wear a mask and not breathe all these microplastics, and also some gloves, but here we are. I'm gonna just put it here, wet it, and then drill it. That's what he said again. And this top part was terrible on my Volvo. And now moving to the 3000 one. So yeah, with this 3000 you can really see some nice results with the finest what's it called, sandpaper. Here you can really see it starts to get nice and shiny. Man, I really regret not using that sanding paper, masking tape, sorry, my English is not the best. But yeah, I mean, for $5 getting all this, only this tool is, I mean, very unified. You can use this every time you just need the polishing paste next time and sanding paper. Man, already it looks amazing. Look at that, and I didn't even use yet the polishing paste and the sponge. So yeah, done with the sanding, I think. Now I'm gonna apply the polishing sponge. Yeah, nice and done. And I'm gonna apply a bit of polishing paste and polish for around 5 minutes. That's what they say on the instructions. You can pause the video here. So I'm not sure how much paste to put, so I put like this before starting, and let's hope it's enough or not too much. Here we go. Already got it on my leg. That's what he said. Ooh, now, okay, now you can see the shine, but yeah, we need more. I'm gonna put a bit more. That's too much. That's why I pick like this and start slowly. Again, it's my first time. Remember how it was your first time to do anything you want to remember. I'm not done yet. I still have 2 minutes to polish, but I mean, look at that. I should have done a time lapse or something doing this. Unbelievable. Oh my god, I can't believe it. This is my first time ever, man. Was not expecting something this good. Oh my god. This is absolutely amazing. Why do I have this much? Yeah, we'll continue. I'm done. I'm done sanding, polishing. So yeah, this was the step 2. Step 3, it says, let me, come on, focus already. I was expecting this video to be shorter, but here we are. I mean, we are doing this nicely. Clean the headlight lens and make sure the lens is dry before continuing this step. Make sure the headlight is not under sunlight when applying step 3. This is step 3. Using the cotton pad provided in the kit, evenly apply a layer of protective liquid on the surface. So we have this protective liquid and this cotton pad. Man, my car is filthy now. Allow the liquid step 3 to sit and dry at least 15 minutes. Then allow the liquid to cure in direct sunlight for 1 to 2 hours. I mean, it's almost night. How am I supposed to control the weather? I should have read this before. So yeah, we'll go on with step 3. And after that, after step 3, keep the lens dry and do not allow it to be exposed to moisture. Do not wash the car for 24 hours. Well, that's easy. I don't want to wash the car. So yeah, we'll continue with step 3. Yeah, so okay, put it on the cotton pad. I was not expecting to be this liquid, and I mean, it says it's a liquid, but smells terrible. I'm not sure how much. Does it say? Allow this sit and dry 15 minutes. I think I apply it applied it everywhere. Again, I highly recommend using those gloves. And again, I remove some stuff from here. Let me just use the other side too. I don't know what I'm doing again, but I mean the end result looks absolutely amazing. I'm gonna show you the other side of the car in case you forgot how this headlight looked. But my goodness, I did not expect this. So here we are. So yeah, this was before on the other side, and this is after. I mean, come on. First time, cheapest kit ever, and from this, I mean from this to this, whew, I'ma start a new business.